Finally, some great news for all Xiaomi users. The most hyped feature, that is HyperOS Island, is now coming to all Xiaomi phones, not just the flagship ones. And yes, Xiaomi has finally listened to its users. In this video, we will discuss which devices may get this feature and what it means for all Xiaomi, Redmi and POCO users. So make sure to watch till the end. So hey tech lovers, this is Amit and you are watching Mobile Funda, where you get your mobile style, update and theme funda. Earlier, there was an article which mentioned that HyperOS Island would only be limited to Xiaomi's upper mid-range and flagship phones. And there was even a rumor that the Redmi Note 14 5G didn't get this feature during beta testing, which made many Xiaomi users worried. As a result, a lot of users got upset with this decision, because the HyperOS Island is one of the most trending and premium feature of HyperOS 3. So everyone was excited to try it out. And without it, the new update just don't feel that special. Moreover, giving this feature to all devices makes total sense, because right now other Android UI are also bringing some powerful new features with Android 16. And if Xiaomi wants to stay in UI competition, then it really needs to offer something like a Hyper Island to everyone, not just flagship users. That's why this move was important and necessary for Xiaomi's ecosystem. Fortunately, a new article has confirmed that Xiaomi has removed the restriction in the latest beta testing for HyperOS Island feature, which means it now be available on all Xiaomi devices, including mid-range and even lower-end phones. This is honestly a great move and a big relief for all users who were disappointed earlier. However, if this article is true, I am sure that at least the Pro model like Redmi Note series and POCO X series will get the full feature. And I think for lower end phones, it might come with limited features like basic animations or simple pop-ups, depending on hardware and system performance. But still, getting even a limited version is better than nothing. So let's wait and see which models officially get it once the next round of beta testing begins. Meanwhile, you can relax, because finally the HyperOS Island feature is coming to mid-range and budget phones too. And that's a huge win for the Xiaomi users. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then like this video and share it with your friends who are still confused about the HyperOS Island feature. See you in the next video with another new funda. Till then, keep exploring. Jai Hind.